Hi guys, thank you for selecting this video. Welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Sorry for doing this video so late. I did get my inserts very late. I usually get them early in the weekend, and I was doing some side hustles as well. So we stopped at a few CVS to do our complete list. Before we get started, I invite you to visit my blog, excitedforcoupons.com. In there, I do post the best beat deals in there in details, and also you could go to coupons.com and you could print all those available coupons that are there. I do want to give a shout out to Stella de la Cruz for leaving your first comment on my last video. Thank you so much for your support and for commenting on my videos. If you're the first person that comments on this video, I'm going to give you a shout out on the following video. This is my haul. Like I share, some of them were not available, like the Bliss, since it's a new item. So we did go to a few CVS, but finally I got the video and I'm gonna share with you everything. This would have been $120 and everything came out to $3.64. So the first item I did was, I wanted to take advantage of these CRTs. I did get them in two different cards, and luckily I got two on each. So what I did was, in one of the stores, they didn't have the regular moisturizer, that's $9.99. But they did have one that you could see, which is the little box, and it did say moisturizer. It gave no problem, but that one was for $8.49. Everything else was not available in the store, but I didn't want to miss out on this CRT since they did expire on Sunday. So what I did, I purchased one for $8.49. I used two CRT. It deducted exactly that amount, so it came out free. Then in another store, I found the moisturizer. I think they only had one as well for $9.99. I did put $9.99, but once I looked at the receipt, I think in the store it was for $10. I think it was $10.49, but they still deduct. Yeah, it was $10.49. They deducted $10, and that one came out to 49 cents. But in some stores, it is free. It will be $9.99. The next deal I did was the Chic. This one also was not available in some of the stores, but luckily I found one. And what I did was, I tried out a CRT. The CRT says 3 off Chic razor's blade, and it went in with no problem. So I was just testing it out. So I purchased one of the Hydro for $9.99. I used a coupon from yesterday's book, from Sunday from Smart Source, deducting 4. And I got that CRT that I mentioned, deducting 3 for Chic Hydro Men. It says blade, razor's blade, and it deducted $3. I paid $2.99, but I got back 4 ECB, making it free, and $1.01 Moneymaker. So I did see some people, they get other type of CRTs for Chic, deducting 3. So see which one you did get, so you could take advantage of this deal, because you will get it free and Moneymaker. In the picture, you'll see that I used a beauty reward ECB. The next deal is pretty easy to do. Sometimes we get this one free, but I did want to purchase another one. I did go to my CVS app and I selected those coupons that says Speed Stick. So make sure that you do go to the app, because that coupon, it will be only on, it will say app only. So what I did was I purchased one. The regular price is $3.19, but I got it for $2.49. This was a special price, $2.49. I used a coupon that came on yesterday's paper, but I also printed one in case, because like I mentioned, I didn't get my papers on time. So I printed one, and it deducted 50 cents. And the one from the app, it deducted another 50 cents. So I paid $1.49. I got back 1 ECB, making it 49 cents. Just be in the lookout, because maybe it might deduct both app coupons. In my case, it only deducted one. I've been wanting to try this product, and sometimes we get this in some beauty subscription boxes, which I really love those, but I didn't get that. So I'm like, I really want to try this, and it's not bad that Revlon has it for $12.99. So I had a CRT that it says that it will deduct $5 for beauty tools or anything Revlon. So I used that CRT. It gave no problem, but I didn't have any other coupons for that. At the end of the receipt, I got 4 ECB, making this $3.99, which is not bad since the regular price for this is $12.99. And this is a new product from Revlon, and it's something that I really want to try as my new skincare routine. So if you have any CRTs for Revlon, take advantage. And this is a good item to try. This one, luckily I was able to print this coupon. I believe there is one in one of the books in Smart Source. I don't know if it's $5.19. But I see that this coupon is no longer available. So I was able to print it, and I purchased all of these products from Nature's Truth. I believe it's a brand. They're going to be $7.99, most of the vitamins. And this one cost $14.99. I used that coupon. I got back 5 ECB, making it 99 cents when since the regular price for this product is $14.99. There's a few ones that they're all gonna be $7.99 no matter what's the price. So that was a pretty good deal. The next deal that I did was the You Buy Kotex. You need to buy 15 to get 5 ECB, and it's also buy one get one 50% off. So it was perfect. What I did was I purchased the tampons that cost $5.99, and the other one came out $2.99. So together that was $8.99. And then the liners was $4.49, and then the other one came out to $2.24, and that came out to $6.74. So together my total came out to $15.72. I believe was the price, $15.72. I used 4 coupons from Smart Source, $5.19, deducting $1 each, and also had that CRT deducting 2 of a feminine products. In the register, I paid $9.72 for all 4 products, but I got back the 5 ECB. But I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, which I got back $4 from Ibotta. I did scan those boxes to make sure that it does qualify. So you want to make sure that you're gonna get back the cash back. That's an option that Ibotta does show you, gives you, and then after the 5 ECB and the cash back, it came out to 72 cents for everything. The next deal was really easy to do. This one I did get a CRT, as you see, 3 off any clean and clear. So what I did was I looked for any product that it was from this brand. I did see this mask. It's a night relaxing jelly eye sheet mask, and it cost $3.19. So I used that CRT, and my total just came out to 19 cents for an eye sheet mask, which is pretty good deal. So if you have any CRTs like this that it doesn't have a limit, it will be perfect for you to kind of like look in the store to see what you could actually get just for like a few cents total. This one is very similar, very easy to do. I did get 2 different CRTs in my card. I had one for $2.50 and another one for CVS wipes for face, deducting $2. So what I did, I purchased one of the wipes and it cost $2.99. I was able to use both CRTs. It gave me no problem. And so my total came out to free and $1.51 Moneymaker, which was perfect, which is helped with my total. Also check that some of these coupons you might not have any CRT. You could mix and match. You might get the CRT, and there might be some available in the CVS app, which I did this last week as well, because I did have some in my CVS app and you was able to combine it, and you get these items free, and they're so cute. And it's free, and sometimes it might be Moneymaker depending how many CRTs you do have. So they do say CVS, so don't be on the lookout for that. This one was really hard for me because I got this CRT saying 10 off 25 new Bliss skincare. I really want to try out this skincare since it's cruelty free, and it does say many good things about it, and it's called Bliss. But some of the stores, they didn't have it, or they only had like body wash only. And I also wanted to use the other CRT that does say facial cleanser, so I wanted to not buy body washes. It will not apply. So what I did was I used these 2 CRTs that you see in the picture, and I purchased 3 items to reach $30, because the deal is if you buy 30 you get 10 ECB. So I purchased a mask that was like $4.29. I purchased the cleanser or the gel, the peel for $12, and the other mask for $15. So everything came out to $31.29, and I used those 2 CRTs, the $10 and the 6 CRT. And after getting back the 10 ECB, everything came out to $5.29 or just $1.73. But I will be getting a $3 beauty reward since I spent over $30 on beauty items. So this one was a little bit less than $5 if you include that beauty reward. So I really wanted to share this because this is a new line that I've been seeing, and as you can see, it could be a little bit pricey. But if you did get one of those CRTs that has to do with cleanser or any moisturizer, facial items, or even if you got one for Bliss, it will be perfect to take advantage of this deal. So this is my haul. This is everything that I was able to get, and my total would have been $120.07. And after coupons used, ECBs, and the Ibotta cash back, it came out to $9.64, but I did use $6 in beauty rewards, so everything came out to $3.64. But if I include that beauty reward, that I'm going to earn from the bliss, then everything will be just 64 cents for everything you see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful new week, and you was able to enjoy this video and see my haul. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and share this video so others can actually learn more about couponing and enjoy it too. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.